Cakes galore, where's the cake from the Philippines? Let's join Koyo Rolo as he bakes for this international choir's big event in Europe. Mga kababayan ng everyone, samahan niyo ako ibida natin ang cake ng Manila. Hi! Good evening mga kaibigan, good evening friends, especially to our kababayan in Manila and Cebu and in Davao and in the entire Philippines, of course, US, don't forget, and Canada. Let's include the rest of the world as well. You know what? Tomorrow we'll be having a rehearsal in our choir. Yes, kakanta na naman ng kuya. And this, an official, aspiring and official ambassador, culinary ambassador of the Philippine food to the world, has volunteered to bake a cake. Of course, gusto natin ibida ang ating pagkaing Pinoy to the world. And now, my opportunity to showcase our cake, Manila cake, to the Dutch and the Belgians. So tonight, I'm preparing my catering for tomorrow. It is carrot cake. To be exact, it's carrot muffins. The humble carrot cake, Manila style, sharing it to the world. Your kuya and uncle here, Romero. What do we need? Of course, carrots, which I grated earlier. I don't understand why carrot turns dark when exposed to air. Do you know how to avoid that, please? Every time I do this, it turns dark. And of course, we need flour. All-purpose flour will do good. Eggs. For this carrot muffins. And of course, we need baking powder and baking soda. And I'm fortunate to have vanilla flavoring in sugar form. Sugar, of course. Milk, oil instead of butter. In many cases, oil proves to give a softer texture to the cake than butter, and it's cheaper, so I'm using cooking oil. And to give it a spice, cinnamon. To add more flavor, sweetness and spice, raisins. And to give it more nutty flavor, walnuts. I'm still confused whether to mix this in the butter or put this as toppings to the frosting. Yes, we'll be frosting as well. I'll just tell you the ingredients for the frosting later. And let's introduce the rest of the ingredients as we add them. Of course, some salt. Let us set our ingredients, or the rest of the ingredients, aside for now because we need a space. Yeah, we have a very small counter here. So, as in the discipline, we start always with the dry ingredients. And it's good to sift your flour. We need 4 of these, 4 cups. Add the baking soda and the other dry ingredients now. Baking powder, which I learned recently. I didn't used to add baking soda, just baking powder. But I learned recently that it gives the cake or the bread a softer texture. And vanilla. See the difference? It's silkier than earlier, no more lumps. We add the rest of the dried ingredients, the sugar. And just a dash of salt. I'm afraid it's small. Yeah? I'm afraid it's small. I'll get the bigger mixing bowl from outside. We can set it aside now. And we're transferring our flour to a bigger bowl. Let's add the cinnamon. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and hit the bell icon You get notified of every release, Mondays and Fridays.
The
And don't
eggs.
forget to share.
And the milk. I have a machine, but I prefer to do it by hand. The oil or your liquefied butter. Oh yeah, what was that? It's smooth now. We can fold in the rest of the ingredients. What is the best? Let's start with the carrots. Yeah, approximately 4. Some recipes even call for 3. Some call for just 1. We have to change the mixing implement now to a spatula. And the raisins. And the walnuts. Look how creamy it is. This is good thinking. I don't have a muffin mold, so I'm using this individual aluminum cups as as molds. In addition to this, muffin liners. My leftover from Christmas. Yeah, it's good to use this ice cream scoop to minimize spills, really. It's on the wet side. Poo. Just 2/3. Yeah. It's on the wet side. $30 at 180 or 175 if you have an oven with a fan. It's been here for 30 minutes now, or almost 2 more minutes. But we can check now with a classic toothpick check. Yeah, it's clean. It's good. Look at that. Carrot Cake Manila Style.
Lovely. Let's leave it overnight to cool, and tomorrow morning, early morning, will be frosting. And that will be part 2.
Busy. Yeah. Amidst the construction here, something is coming there. Ang ating our carrot cake to be brought to our rehearsal today. Yan. Manila Style. Thank you for joining your kuya today as he prepared our share to the to the big rehearsal of our choir. So, sana magustuhan. Samahan niyo ako with Let's Bring This to the rehearsal. I should not forget my pieces. Yan ang ating bag choir kung saan nandiyan yun. Where we have our, where's my key? There. Am I complete? My piece. Okay. See you there. And till next time. I hope you enjoy this, and don't forget to share and subscribe. This is our Manila Style Carrot Cake.